Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today I wanted to share a little scenario with you and the ways that we can help. Say your network is down and you've already had your IT tech team working on this diligently, but having no success. Instead of calling a technician out and waiting even longer to have the issue resolved, you can use our remote IT services and have the problem fixed in a quarter of the time. We can plug into your network and machines from afar, making it easier for Larry the Computer Guy to fix your issue with ease and speed. When you bring Larry the Computer Guy's IT services on board your company's team, you bring the following too: extensive services. We can help you with every service from remote viral protection to server and desktop support. Our fees are affordable. We will customize our services to exactly what you need. More free capital. We will fix all your issues without you having to hire out someone else dedicated to do what we do for you. With Larry the Computer Guy, your business can grow with ease when you sign up for remote IT support and services in Michigan. Call today for more information. We're here and we want to help you.